A defendant walks into court facing new charges and probation violations at the same time. Judge Stephanie Boyd has just one question. Has he learned anything at all?
Good morning. All right, on these two,
Yes.
you need to take those two.
Yeah.
And then the PF case is in there as well. All right, probation. This is a motion to revoke as well as new cases. So I'm going to take up the new cases first, and then the court will address the motion to revoke. All right, the court is going to call 2025 CR 013815, 2025 CR 013816, State versus Omar Herrera. Could I have parties announce?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Joseph Bateson covering for Monica Guerrero. Mr. Herrera, will you give this court?
Just before you ask that question, are you Mr. Herrera?
Say.
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Yes, Pamela Payan.
All right, defense, you may ask your question.
May I have permission to do this plea in place of Ms. Guerrero? May I have permission to do this in place of Ms. Guerrero?
Yeah.
All right. So, counsel, do you speak Spanish?
No, Your Honor.
All right, were you able to review these documents with your client through the interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor. And in addition, Monica Guerrero is fluent in Spanish. She spoke with him. He has accepted this offer, and the translator assisted me with translating everything on the paperwork for him to sign it.
Mr. Herrera, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information, and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to have a grand jury review the evidence in this case, make a decision on whether or not to hold you over for trial, and also that your attorney has the right to the expiration of 2 days upon presentation of the information and 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information, and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all the evidence, and did you review that with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Herrera, in each cause number, did you review the felony information with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Judge.
And state, are you proceeding on the information in both cases as listed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Herrera, in each cause number, did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
And cause number 2025 CR 013815, you're charged with an unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And cause number 2025 CR 013816, you're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into pleas in each of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, good.
Mr. Herrera, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
All right, so you have to wait till she finishes translating. Either we're going to use the translator or we're not. You understand?
Okay.
Is that how you say okay in Spanish?
People tend to say okay, but the way to say okay in Spanish is está bien, but you have adopted okay.
Está bien.
Yes.
Está bien.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Sí.
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. In the cause number, that's the unauthorized use, the state is requesting that your punishment be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. And the cause number with the evading arrest, detention of vehicle, they're asking that your punishment be assessed at 3 years in the prison. They're asking that the cases run concurrently. There's a $1,000 fine in each cause number. There are no applications. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 36552, 2025 CC 013527, 2025 CR 013528. And also this will be running concurrently with 2025 CR 0033736 and 2025 CR 0038886. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Sí.
Yes.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Sí.
Yes.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 013815, how do you plea?
No me opongo.
No context.
And cause number 2025 CR 013816, how do you plea?
No me opongo.
No context.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, in both cause numbers, state offers states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sí.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Oh, sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. And each cause numbers, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, waive TSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would ask that you follow the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 013815. Court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 003736, 2025 CR 003886, and 2025 CR 013816. Taking consideration 2025 PF 36552. And there's to be restitution, if any, to Lamarcus Minter, Minter. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
And cause number 2025 CR 01386. The court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 003736, 2025 CR 003886, 2025 CR 013815, taking consideration 2025 CC 013527 and 2025 CR 013528. Is there anything under that cause number with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
It's just that last one you read is CC, not CR 013528.
All right, any objection to the court changing the plea paperwork to reflect CC?
No, Judge.
It's nothing further from defense.
And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
In each cause number, because these are plea bargaining agreements, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Right.
Okay.
All right. And could someone do me a favor and 2025 CR 03736? I only have the First Amendment. Do you have the?
D.
You're 3886, Judge?
Yes. No, 3736. Only on that one, I only have the First Amendment. No. And on that one, let me see if I only have the First Amendment on that one too. Yes, on that one, I only have the First Amendment as well. All right, thank you. And on both of these cases, are you proceeding on the same allegation in each motion? Okay. All right, then I only need it for that. Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 003736 and 2025 CR 003886. Mr. Herrera, in cause number 2000, in each cause number, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and the First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision in each cause number?
Yes.
All Are you the same Omar Herrera who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 0038886 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on June 12, 2025 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Sí.
Yes.
And are you the same Omar Herrera who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 0033736 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on June 12, 2025 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Sí.
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the same violation in each motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, any objection to the state reading the allegation once and for the defendant to respond true or not true for both cause numbers?
No objection.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 28th day of June 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Omar Herrera committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with vehicle in violation of condition number 1.
And each cause number, how do you plead?
True. ¿Verdad?
Yes.
Cierto.
Sorry.
True.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 28th day of June 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Omar Herrera committed the offense of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle in violation of condition number 1.
And how do you plead to that?
¿Verdad?
True.
State will waive the remaining.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
None.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 1? And each cause number, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility?
Sí.
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 1?
Yes.
Court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to sentence to 2 years and run this concurrent with the 2 cases he just put on 2025 CR 013815 and 2025 CR 013816.
All right. Defense, is that the agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Herrera, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yeah.
And cause number 2025 CR 0038886. As previously stated, the court is finding 1 and 1 true. The court will grant the motion. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Angel Torres. The last name is spelled Quezas. Restitution, if any, to Jarrett Elias McGarity. And this will run concurrent with the following cause number. 2025 CR 003736. 2025 CR 013816. 2025 CR 013815. Is there anything else in that cause number with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
And cause number 2025 CR 003736. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. Give credit for any time served. Restitution, if any, to George Torres. Oh, I'm sorry, State, you may be excused. There's to be no contact with Vivian Ortega, Christy with a K, Jimenez, Friday, Regina Ortega. There's to be no residing in households with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors, and no driving without a valid license and proof of insurance. And this is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 003886, 2025 CR 013816, and 2025 CR 013815. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Sí.
Yes.
Because these are plea bargaining agreements, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. You need to do better.
This hearing begins coldly as Judge Stephanie Boyd calls multiple felony cases against Omar Herrera, along with pending motions to revoke his community supervision. Herrera, appearing with a Spanish interpreter, confirms he understands every document, right, and consequence attached to the plea bargain. Judge Boyd reads through each charge: unauthorized use of a motor vehicle and evading arrest in a vehicle, serious crimes that carry potential prison time. She warns him that by accepting this deal, he is waiving trial and accepting responsibility. Herrera answers firmly, yes. Once evidence is entered, the court officially finds him guilty. The state requests several years of confinement, all to run concurrently. Judge Boyd agrees, sentencing him to years in state jail and prison, eventually totaling 5 years across the stacked cases and revocations.